In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product variants on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up different options like size, color, or material on a single product, so customers can choose what they want without you creating separate product pages. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. On the homepage, select Log In. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your Shopify admin automatically. If not, log in using your email and password, or choose one of the available sign-in providers. Make sure you're accessing the correct store if you manage more than one. You want to be in the admin for the shop where you'll add variants. Once you're in the admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Products. This brings you to your product list. Choose the existing product you want to edit. Variants attached to a single product, so pick the main product that should host all the choices your customers will see, like different sizes or colors of the same item. On the product details page, scroll down until you find the variants section. This is where Shopify organizes all the selectable options for that product. If you don't see any variants yet, that's normal. We're about to add them. Click to add options. Think of options as the category of choice a customer will make. Common examples include size, color, or material. You can use whatever label makes sense for your item, and Shopify supports up to 3 different options per product. Clear, consistent naming here will keep things tidy in your store and in your reports. Next, add the option values. These are the specific choices within each option. For size, that might be small, medium, and large. For color, it could be red, blue, and black. Keep the names concise and standardized so they look professional and are easy to filter. If you're using color names, stick to words rather than symbols or extra characters. For sizes, decide whether you prefer letters like S, M, L, or full words, and be consistent across your catalog. When your options and values look good, click Save. Shopify will automatically generate variant combinations based on the values you entered. After saving, you'll see a list of variants beneath the product, each one representing a unique combination. From here, you'll be able to view details like price, SKU, and inventory for each variant, all organized under the same product, which helps with both customer experience and store management. And that's it. Your product now has variants successfully set up and ready to go.